What if I told you that right now, at this very moment, there are jobs that pay you real money, give you real freedom, and can be done from literally anywhere in the world? Imagine working from your kitchen table, a coffee shop in Paris, or even a beach in Mexico. Sounds like a dream, right? But here is the catch. Most people think remote work is only for tech geniuses or those with fancy degrees. That is simply not true. In fact, many of the best remote jobs are beginner-friendly, and today we are going to break them down step by step. And here is the part you will want to stick around for. I am going to share one remote job later in this video that almost nobody talks about, but it pays surprisingly well, and you do not need years of experience to start. Number 1. Customer support jobs. One of the easiest entry points into remote work is customer support. Companies need people to answer questions, handle complaints, and guide customers through problems. You do not need a fancy degree. What you do need is patience, clear communication, and a calm attitude. For example, many e-commerce companies hire remote support reps to handle live chat and emails. A typical day might include helping someone reset their password, tracking a package, or solving a billing issue. The pay often starts around $15 to $20 per hour, but if you specialize in tech support or billing, it can go higher. The best part: these jobs usually come with training. So even if you have never worked in customer service before, you can learn on the job. Number 2. Virtual assistant work. Think of a virtual assistant as a company's right-hand person. You might schedule meetings, manage emails, do light bookkeeping, or update spreadsheets. It is like being an office assistant, but from your laptop. An example is small business owners hiring VAs to handle tasks so they can focus on big-picture work. You might be booking their travel, setting reminders, or even posting on social media. The average pay ranges from $18 to $30 per hour, depending on the tasks and skills you bring. If you add specialized skills like project management or social media strategy, you can move up faster. This is an excellent job for people who are organized, detail-oriented, and love keeping things running smoothly. Number 3. Online tutoring and teaching. If you are good at explaining concepts, tutoring online can be a powerful option. You do not always need a teaching license. Many platforms just want you to be fluent in English or strong in a subject like math, science, or coding. For example, parents in Asia often hire tutors to help their kids practice English. The hours may be early mornings in the USA to match their time zones, but it can fit well around your schedule. Pay can range from $15 an hour for beginner roles to $50 or more if you specialize in test prep or advanced subjects. Platforms like VIP Kid, Cambly, or even freelance sites connect you to students easily. Number 4. Freelance writing and editing. Do you enjoy writing emails, telling stories, or breaking down complex topics into simple words? Freelance writing is booming in the remote world. Bloggers, businesses, and online magazines all need content. You could be writing product descriptions, how-to guides, or even social media posts. For example, a startup might hire you to write weekly blog posts about budgeting tips. Each post could take a few hours, and you can often set your own rates. Beginners might start at 10 to 15 cents per word, but experienced writers can make 50 cents to $1 per word. And if you are more detail-oriented than creative, editing is another option. Correcting grammar, improving clarity, and polishing other people's writing pays well too. Number 5. Remote sales jobs. This one often surprises people. You can actually sell products and services completely online. Some roles are phone-based, others use email or video calls. You may work on commission or salary plus bonus. For example, a software company might pay you a base salary of $3,000 per month, plus extra for every deal you close. That means the better you get, the more you earn. Sales can feel intimidating, but remember this: you are not just pushing products. You are solving problems for people. If you like connecting with others and do not mind rejection now and then, sales can be one of the highest paying remote jobs. Number 6. Data entry and transcription. If you are looking for something simple to start with, data entry is a good option. You will be entering numbers, transferring information, or organizing records. It is not the most exciting job, but it is flexible and steady. Transcription is similar, but instead of typing numbers, you are typing spoken words from audio or video recordings. For example, A podcaster might pay you to transcribe their episodes so they can publish written versions online. Data entry jobs might pay around $12 to $18 per hour, while transcription can go higher if you are fast and accurate. Number 7. Graphic design and creative jobs. Do you love art, visuals, or design? Remote graphic design is huge. You might be creating logos, social media posts, website banners, or infographics. For example, a small coffee shop might pay you to design their online ads. A bigger company might need you to design presentations or rebrand their logo. Even beginners can use tools like Canva to start. You do not always need to know advanced software right away. Pay varies widely, but freelancers often earn $25 to $75 per hour depending on skill. Number 8. Social media management. Businesses need a strong online presence, but many do not have the time to manage it. That is where social media managers step in. You might create content calendars, schedule posts, reply to followers, or run ads. For example, a local bakery could hire you to manage their Instagram page, post daily photos, and respond to comments. Pay often starts around $15 to $20 per hour, but can scale up to $50 per hour with experience. If you enjoy spending time on social platforms, this can turn your scrolling habit into income. Number 9. Translation and interpretation. If you speak more than one language, translation is a valuable skill. Companies hire translators for documents, websites, or even subtitles for videos. For example, an e-commerce store in the USA might want to translate product listings into Spanish to reach more customers. Translators often earn $20 to $40 per hour. This is a great option for bilingual people who want flexible remote income. Number 10. Tech and coding jobs. This is where the big money often comes in. Software development, web design, and cybersecurity are in high demand. Yes, these require more training, but here is the good news. You do not always need a computer science degree. Many people learn through online boot camps, free resources, and practice projects. For example, web developers can charge $40 to $100 per hour, and companies happily pay because websites are critical to their business. Even basic tech support jobs can pay well once you build some skills. Number 11. Online research and survey gigs. This is not a career path, but it is a simple way to dip your toes into remote work. Companies pay for feedback through surveys, product testing, and market research. For example, you might test a new app, give your opinion on features, and get paid a small amount for your time. It will not make you rich, but it can bring in side money while you work toward a bigger remote career. Number 12. The hidden gem job. Now let's talk about the one I teased earlier. Remote note-taking. Yes, you heard that right. Companies, universities, and even doctors sometimes hire people to take notes during online meetings, lectures, or consultations. All you need is good listening skills and fast typing. For example, a company might pay you to join their Zoom meeting, listen in, and provide detailed notes afterward. This role can pay $20 to $30 per hour, and it is often flexible. Almost nobody talks about this, but it is real and surprisingly in demand. Number 13. Remote bookkeeping. Small businesses often cannot afford a full-time accountant, but they still need help keeping track of expenses, invoices, and payroll. That is where remote bookkeepers step in. You do not need to be a certified accountant to start, though having training in QuickBooks or similar software helps. For example, a local gym might hire you to handle their monthly expense reports and send reminders for unpaid invoices. The pay can start around $20 per hour and go up with experience. Number 14. Online fitness coaching. If you are passionate about health and fitness, you can coach people through video calls and custom workout plans. Many people prefer at-home training but still want guidance. For example, you could design a 4-week program for someone who wants to lose weight and check in with them weekly over Zoom. You can also create digital workout plans and sell them as passive income. Online fitness coaches often charge $30 to $80 per session, depending on specialization. Number 15. Remote recruiting. Companies need help finding the right employees, and remote recruiters make that possible. You might screen resumes, set up interviews, and even help with onboarding. For example, a tech company could hire you to identify strong candidates for software engineering roles and coordinate their interviews. Recruiters often earn a base rate plus bonuses when their candidates get hired. This can add up quickly and makes it a rewarding option if you enjoy connecting people with opportunities. Number 16, remote project management. Every business has projects that need organizing. Remote project managers oversee deadlines, assign tasks, and keep communication flowing. For example, a marketing agency might hire you to manage a client campaign. You would track progress, schedule meetings, and ensure the team delivers on time. Project managers often earn $25 to $60 per hour depending on experience. If you are organized and enjoy problem solving, this could be your lane. Number 17, voiceover work. With the explosion of online content, demand for voiceover talent has grown. Companies need voices for ads, training videos, and audiobooks. For example, a YouTube creator might hire you to narrate their script, or a publisher might need you to record chapters of a children's book. You can set up a small home studio with a decent microphone and start pitching your voice. Voiceover jobs can pay anywhere from $50 to several $100s per project. Number 18, remote travel planning. Many people love to travel but hate the stress of planning. Remote travel planners help clients book flights, find hotels, and create itineraries. For example, a family might hire you to plan their Disney vacation, including dining reservations and insider tips. If you love research and organizing trips, this can be both fun and profitable. Some planners charge per trip, while others earn commissions from bookings. Number 19, remote podcast production. Podcasts are everywhere, and hosts often need help editing audio, writing show notes, and promoting episodes. For example, a life coach running a podcast might pay you to clean up their audio recordings, add intro music, and publish episodes weekly. Even without advanced skills, you can learn audio editing basics using free software. Rates can start at $15 to $20 per hour, but experienced producers charge much higher. Number 20, remote research assistant. Writers, businesses, and academics often need someone to gather information. As a research assistant, you might dig through online articles, create summaries, or organize references. For example, a business author writing a book on leadership might hire you to find case studies and organize them into a document. This job is perfect for curious minds and detail-oriented workers. Pay typically ranges from $15 to $25 per hour for beginners. So here is the bigger picture. Remote work is not just about sitting at home in pajamas. It is about freedom. The freedom to choose where you live, how you spend your time, and in many cases, how much you earn. But here is the question I want you to think about. Which of these remote jobs fits your lifestyle and skills the best? Drop your thoughts in the comments.